This is a Wyldlynx quick tip video using Microsoft Teams. In this video, I want to demonstrate the correct way to reply to a conversation thread. A rookie error most of us make when replying to a conversation thread is accidentally starting a new thread while trying to reply. Doing this means the conversation and information is now separated from the original thread, which makes things messy and hard for other users to find exactly what you're referring to. When replying to a conversation thread, be sure to click the reply button, which is located on the bottom left corner of the thread you are replying on, so not the new conversation bar. As you can see here, my reply to Carl is now in the original message thread, which is keeping all information and conversation for that topic in one transparent place. Check out our Microsoft Teams playlist on YouTube to find out more great tips using Microsoft Teams.